Five beautiful species of grebes are found in India. Black-necked grebes have a small body with very thin bill found in the north and northwest of India. Head is peaked over red eye. Breeding adults have yellow whiskers on cheek for a fan-shaped patch, black back and mostly dark brown body. Great Crested Grebe is a large, elegant and long-necked grebe found in Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and parts of North India. They are fairly common on lakes, reservoirs and along large rivers, mainly with bordering reeds where they build floating nest platforms. Horned grebes have a compact body with thin bill found in Punjab, Haryana, Jodhpur and parts of North India. Breeding adults have long yellow tuft behind red eye, black cheek and rusty body. Little grebe, also known as dabchick, rather compact with rounded head, puffy rear end found in the Indian subcontinent. Breeding plumage often looks dark overall. In good light, note dark rusty head and neck sides with yellow patch at base of bill. Red-necked grebe is a large grebe found in the north and northwest of India. Only has red neck in breeding plumage. In winter, note smudgy brown neck, whitish throat and long, mostly yellow bill.